my channel Feel Good Within. This is Priyanka Nagpal over here. Today I'm going to tell you how to make your relationships better. And we all want our relationship to be better, to be loving, to be caring, right? And we all face a lot of difficulties in our relationship too, including me. I'm also like you guys only, but whatever I learned in my life I'm going to share, alright? It might help you out or it might not, alright? So let's just go ahead and start. So the first thing which I want to tell you is that always focus on good things in others, okay? That's the basic thing. Always focus on good things in others and always remember about the good in others. And second thing is that stop complaining, alright? So don't focus on what's bad in others or what they're not doing according to you, because that's your controlling behavior and that's what your ego wants to control everything. But that should not be the case. So don't focus on what's not good in others and stop complaining. Focus on the good things in others, okay? Because once you will go ahead and focus on good in others, you will be able to see more good in them and they will be able to see more good in you, all right? And if you will be the person who is always complaining, nagging, nobody is going to like you. No matter how much the person is good, that he might just get irritated by you, because actually you are sending that vibe, you are sending that frequency, and that is actually going to come back to you. So first of all, you need to go ahead and master your own emotions, alright? Then only you can have good relationship with other people also in your life. So for instance, you say that my co-workers are lazy, or my husband is not doing good, my children are not going according to my wish, right? So if it's you who are controlling, and it's your ego who want to control everything, but let it be what it is, all right? Always focus on good in others and let others enjoy their life they want to, as they want to. Don't try to control others. Third thing which I want to tell you is that don't always focus on the other person, because it's not about the other person, it's about you, who can either think good or who can either think bad, who can either complain or who can either stay happy. So for the better relationships, we need to go ahead and appreciate what's good in others, all right? And then only they are going to feel good about themselves, and they will be able to appreciate us as well. So stop complaining and start appreciating what's good about other people in your life. So when you are complaining, you will attract more things to complain about, all right? So that is also law of attraction says, when you complain, you will attract more things to complain about. So focus on the good things in others. Focus on, first of all, you have to go ahead and see the good in you, and then only you can go ahead and see the good in others, right? And they're also going to appreciate you. If you are the person who spread love, then you are also going to get a lot of love back in your life. But if you are the person who is always nagging, complaining, you're also going to get the same thing back to you. So it's about you, it's not about other people, all right? So if you are in a complicated relationship right now, write all the good things about that other person for next 30 days, and you will see that person will eventually change in next 30 days. His behavior will change, will you? Because you will change your thinking and you will start thinking good about that person instead of thinking bad about that person. So think about all the reason why you like them, love them, or you were attracted to them. You appreciate their sense of humor, you appreciate their support, or whatever you like in them. And what you will find is that when you will appreciate good things in them, you will get more good things, alright, in your life, and problems will fade away. So when you will focus on their strength, you will get more of that, alright? So at the end, I just want to say is that focus on the good things in other, not the bad things, okay? And that's all I wanted to say. I hope you guys like my video. In case you guys like it, click on like button. Also don't forget to click on subscribe button and share with your friends. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.